Hello and welcome to a video about kit, my kit. As you can see there, a useful bag and a useful helmet bag, and yeah, they were both freebies, which is nice. So here's my helmet. I'm very proud of my helmet. There she is. Sorry, that's a really bad joke. I have a bell, a white shiny bell. Well, it's not so shiny anymore. It's been scratched a bit. It's a Sport 5. It's something I got a few years back, and yeah, if you want to find labels, want to make sure it's legit, because there is a lot of counterfeit stuff flying around. And look underneath the padding, just there. Unfortunately, you often hear of things like sparkle belts that have literally torn in anger, and it turns out they've never been anywhere near a sparkle factory. But still, anyway, that's the lid. This is a attached hands device. A bit fiddly, but you get used to it. Mandatory now, I think, in all club racing, and pretty good idea as well. Yeah, it just clips on. It's probably best to do this before you get in the car, put the two together, and when you sit in the car, then put it on. Is what I do, and there it is, a bit scratched. What else do we have? That's the helmet bag with some shoes, pretty basic. Everything's FIE labelled. It's got to be approved, and speedboard size, obviously, for my feet. And I think next it's some pretty unsexy underwear. So Nomex underwear, Nomex top, and Nomex bottoms. Nice and toasty in the car when you put your suit on, and it's nice and hot inside. And I have a pretty standard sparkler suit, 2-layer. Some people swear by 3 layers because it gives you an extra 5 seconds or so of fire resistance in a burning car, but I don't intend to find out by staying a bit longer. And that's it. Pretty basic, really. And this is the hands device that I mentioned earlier. Nice standard one, does the job. So there's a couple of observations I wanted to leave you with that I've seen. One is, when you're looking at kit, you will be recommended to, by all the people who have been in motorsport for years, buy the most expensive you can afford. That kind of wrangles with me, even though I would trust my life with a reputable make, so I'm a bit more prepared to pay extra for the make. V2 were offering helmets at a fraction of the price of Bell, for example, and that scared me, so I want the Bell. But then some people would say, no, Bell are rubbish, spend the extra money and get an RI. Yeah, you've just got to make your own mind up. But I will leave you with one thought, and that is, if you were heading towards a wall and you could pause time, get out, go to Demon Tweaks, go to GPR or whatever, and buy whatever you liked, as long as you had to get back in the car and have your accident, you probably would get the most expensive you could afford. I'm not saying that's what you should do, but yeah, I just thought I'd leave you with a happy thought, because yeah, it's scary stuff, especially when you have kids or a partner and you have to think about them, not just yourself. So there you have it. If you found that useful at all, let me know, and I'll find the next topic to cover. Bye for now.